this video, we're going to look at complex solutions to a quadratic equation. We're asked to find all real or complex solutions to the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. So to start, we'll set this up, and we have 2x squared minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. And this one definitely can't be factored. And so we'll use the quadratic formula here, and recall that that states that if ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then we can state that x is equal to, and this will be the opposite of b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. So we'll use that here, and we'll then have that x is equal to, and in this numerator we'll have the opposite of b, which will be 5, since our b is a negative 5, plus or minus, and then we have the square root, and inside there we're going to put b squared, so that'll be the number negative 5 squared. We have minus 4ac, so minus 4 times 2 times 7. And that's all over 2a, so it's all over 2 times 2. Simplifying this, we'll simplify what's inside that radical. And so the numerator will be 5 plus or minus, and then we'll have the square root of, and inside that radical we have 25, minus, and 4 times 2 times 7 is 56. So we have minus 56 inside there, all over 4. From there, we'll simplify what's inside that radical one step further, and we'll have 5 plus or minus, and then inside there we'll have the square root of negative 31. That's all over 4. At this point, we can see that this solution is going to be complex. So the square root of negative 31, we'll bring out that I to see that complex part. So this numerator will now be 5 plus or minus, and we'll write this as the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 31, all over 4. So from there, the numerator will be 5 plus or minus I times the square root of 31, and that's all over 4. Alright, so at this point, we have our two complex solutions, and we can state the solution set. Again, these are not real solutions, these are complex solutions. So our solution set will be for complex solutions, and those are 5 plus I times the square root of 31, all divided by 4, and then we have 5 minus I times the square root of 31, and that's all divided by 4. And we'll put those in curly braces to denote the set.